Thanks for checking out our channel. Stick around for a special message.
Okay, hello everybody, this is Dr. Gilmore, and we have a wonderful patient here today. I'm not going to show her face, but just so you know, I'm going to show you her utility belt, which includes a taser, it includes some magazines, and over here it looks like some kind of, is that a Glock? Glock, 45 cal? 45 caliber Glock. So she's already told me if I make a mistake, then and she feels any pain, this is going to be a problem. So what we have here, we're going to give her a nickname. How about we just call you New Mexico? How do you like that? So I got a thumbs up over there. And as you can see here, we have a pretty sore toe. It's ingrown. She's got a mild paronychia, which we're going to relieve while we do the nail removal. And we're going to go ahead, and if you can look down there, you can see this nail has been removed before. Isn't that right, New Mexico?
She's not talking.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's right. So this time what we're going to do when we remove it, we're going to go ahead and destroy the nail matrix with some phenol. That's carboxylic acid. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, so we're going to numb you up first. That's the hard part. I'm going to hand the phone over to Gonzo, and we'll go from there. Hi, little Gonzo. How are you today?
I want more candy and chips and
You want
soda.
more candy? Hey, those donuts were good, weren't they?
I didn't eat one, I just eat, so.
This is how many I had.
Oh, you cheating on your diet.
I have to go work out first.
You cheating.
I'm going to get killed if she finds out. I know she's going to see the video.
I won't tell her. Okay, here, let me hand the phone off to you. Don't show New Mexico's face. She has asked that her identity be obscured.
Or you will be tased.
Or she will tase and or shoot me.
Don't like me.
I took my Meta-7.
Okay, tell us your experience with Meta-7.
There's no doubt that it's a benefit to me. It gives me more stamina. If I miss a day, there's no doubt I lose energy earlier in the day, and I won't go without it in the future.
It's fantastic. So you really noticed a surge.
Without a doubt.
How long did you have to take it before you noticed a difference?
Probably a week to 2 weeks. I was really feeling the difference in my day.
Right, yeah, it took me about 13 days before I noticed it too. Awesome. Well, we appreciate you letting everybody know. Thanks.